Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to track your bags on the Fly Delta application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First, open the app on your phone, tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. And after that, click on the Track My Bags button, which is the second option. After that, you can either search by the bag tag or the file reference number. So choose the relevant one in that first box. And if you choose the bag tag, you should type in the bag tag number. And after that, your name should be typed in, and click on the button Search down below. And after that, you will be able to track your bags. If you choose the file reference, you should type in the file reference number, your name, and then you will be able to search for your bags. So here you can find the recent search is at the top. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.